an is equal to 3 plus 4n. This is the general form given for any term of the given sequence. Now what will be a1? In the place of n we have written 1. So we are going to have 3 plus 4 into 1, that is 4. So your first term is going to be 7. Similarly we can find the second term. Now your second term is going to be 3 plus 4 into 2, that is 8, which is 11. Your third term will be 3 plus 4 into 3, that is 12. So we are going to have 15. Your fourth term will be 3 plus 4 into 4, that is 16. So we are going to have 19. Now we have found the first 4 terms of the sequence. So we have the first 4 terms to be 7, 11, 15, 19. Now we are going to check whether they form an AP. When will they form an AP? If the difference between two successive numbers is same throughout, that is, if they have a common difference, then we can say that they form an AP. Now 11 minus 7 is 4, 15 minus 11 is 4, 19 minus 15 is 4. You can see that the difference is common throughout, that is, it is equal to 4. Your D value is equal to 4. Since the common difference is there, we can say that it forms an AP. We are asked to find sum up to 15 terms. Sum up to 15 terms, since we know our A value and D value, we are going to use the formula sum up to n terms is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we are going to find sum up to 15 terms. It is going to be 15 by 2 into your a value, which is the first term. A value is 7. So 2 into 7 is going to be 14 plus 15 minus 1 into your d value, which is 4. Now you have 15 by 2 into 14 plus 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 into 4 is 4 4s are 16, carry 1, 56. 14 plus 56 is 70. So we will have 15 by 2 into 70. When you divide, it is 35 times. So the answer is going to be 15 into 35. We have 5 15s are 75. So 5 carry 7. 3 15s are 45. 45 plus 7 is 52. Sum up to 15 terms is 525. The general form is given. An is equal to 9 minus 5n. So we are going to find the first term. N takes the value 1. It is going to be 9 minus 5 into 1, which is 5. So the first term is going to be 4. When we are finding the second term, we will have 9 minus 5 into 2, that is 10. 9 minus 10 is going to be minus 1. Then your third term is going to be 9 minus 5 into 3, that is 15. So we are going to have minus 6. Fourth term will be 9 minus 5 into 4, that is 20. So we are going to have minus 11. Now we have found the first 4 terms of the AP. 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11. The difference between these two terms is minus 5, and the difference between these two terms is minus 5, and the difference between these two terms is minus 5. So you can see that the difference is common throughout. Since there is a common difference, they are going to form arithmetic progression. Your D value is minus 5. Now we have our D value and A value. Using this, we are going to find the sum up to 15 terms. Formula for Sn is sum up to n terms is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We are going to find sum up to 15 terms, so it is going to be 15 by 2 into your a value. Your first term here is 4, so 2 into 4 is going to be 8 plus 15 minus 1 into your d value, that is minus 5. So it is going to be 15 by 2 into 8 plus 14 into minus 5, which is 70. So we are going to have minus 70 since we are multiplying by minus 5. Next step is 15 by 2 into 8 minus 70 is going to be minus 62. So when you divide, you will have minus 31. 31 into 15 is 115 is 15, 3 15s are 45. So we are going to have 465. Sum up to 15 terms is equal to minus 465.